ass. You old fake ass nigga.
What? Where the fuck is all that? Hey, brother's fucking with me, nigga. For real. I am the hood. Bitch ass nigga. Fuck the law like the draw in due time. Don't fuck with mom, cross the line. My 2-9s go play out when I shoot 'em. Korean motherfuckers was quick, some niggas had to burn and loot 'em. Now the streets ain't safe. My niggas straight taking slice. I don't sleep with my cheeks. How we hit 'em? If you clip, then dip, cause we did 'em. Licking all shots for the toss, so that's proper. Love for my niggas for the fuck. I'm back to now last year, in 99, I'm back at 2, man. How we do? This is for my dog. Where we at? Where it's gon' be? Where it's gon' be? Nigga like me. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Fucking with a nigga like me. Nigga like me. All them niggas acting up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Motherfucker, I think I'm like the only nigga, dog, that can go to the projects and go up and buy his fucking self and be good. Don't know what it's gon' be. Fucking with a nigga like me. Yeah, niggas was having sex with the empty, y'all be known to throw most songs. How you gonna explain fucking a man? I ain't touching your hand. I don't fuck with chumps. For those that been in jail, they can't I don't fuck with niggas that think they wrong. Only know how to be one way. That's the dog. I know how to get down. Know how to fight. That's how we do. Damn, this is for my dog. Baby, cats don't know. It's gon' be. Nigga like me. All them niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Fucking with a nigga like me. Nigga like me. Where it's gon' be. Where the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. It's that west side rolling, pussies get swollen, knocking niggas down in the pen, I'm bowling, controlling everything I'm bowling. I made a promise to myself, I'ma keep the game to always, even in the hallways of corporate America. Self-made Kool-Aid, fuck what you say, fuck what he say, pimpin' ain't easy. Rolling zone, Mick Jagger, fuck the chit-chat. Got a bladder full of red cup liquor. Yes, my nigga. What it's gon' be? What it's gon' be? Nigga like me. All them niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Fucking with a nigga like me. Nigga like me. What it's gon' be? All them niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' pull that.
Nigga, give up your shit. I'll take 2 to the death with the gripness. Cause I ain't fucking around, G. So take a look at a real life nigga that's crazy. They get ready to die, no. That's when your ass gets smoked. It ain't a joke, because my fucking is most my friends. That's why I gotta do you in. You know your hands. And brand new nights and anything else I might fight. And then I'm again. I'm on the road. 2 niggas in one night. Didn't even have to fight. Just pulled up a 9 to end another fight. That's real life, so forget the silly shit you heard. Now nigga, tell me, do you have any last words?
Cats don't know what it's gon' be. What it's gon' be. Nigga like me. All them niggas acting up.